We hosted another round of mandatory fun. And now we want to know, is there anybody who skipped out? In columns B and C, we have the names of everybody who was verified as having attended. Over in columns G and H is all of the personnel who were supposed to have been there. So first of all, we want to know who's in all personnel that is not in the attended data set. So that tells us we're going to do an anti-join. But we have to match this up by two fields because notice, in the attended data set, we have Isabel Arnold, we have Raphael Arnold, and a bunch of duplicates. But then near the bottom, we have Isabel LaCroix. So in order to do this right, we have to merge using two fields. Let's do it. Put the cursor in the data set, data from table/range. Table does have headers. I'm going to call this attended. Okay. And then close and load this as a connection only. Only create connection. Okay. Now our all personnel. Cursor in the data set. Data from table/range. Okay. I want to name this all. Now the merge. Combine, merge queries as new because I want a third separate query. Let's leave all up top and then put attended on the bottom. We want to match first name, hold down the control key, last name. Notice the 1122. That's how this is getting matched up. Now, which anti-join do we need? We want to know who's on the all data set who is not also on the attended. All is on the top. That's our left side. We need a left anti-join. Left anti-join. Okay. Ooh. These are the three people who skipped out. There is nothing in that attended column. I'm going to click on one of the cells. Notice down at the bottom, first name, last name, null. That's because we did the anti-join. We have everything on the left that has no match on the right side. So we can remove this column. Remove. Then we can close and load this to the workbook. And here are the three people. Leah, Josiah, and Elise skipped out on the mandatory fun.